I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Kotlin in Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So first, in Google search box, write the Kotlin command line compiler. Then go on this Kotlin.org site. So thereafter, this here, 23rd June, that's so I edited this page. Now the next is here, that's called manual installation. Here, this is the version Kotlin compiler, zip file. Let's go on this GitHub release. So this is the latest version. Now you need to scroll down. Here you can get this different compiler. So you need to use this zip file. So click into this. Here the file is now downloaded. So here this is Mac OS for Windows and this here Linux operating that's for. The file that successfully downloaded, click on this show in folder. Thereafter, simply right click this and here you need to click on extract all. So this is the location for extraction. Click on this next. Now the next is this Kotlin compiler is there. Simply you need to copy this and let's go on this C drive and paste this one. You can paste anywhere. This here Kotlin compiler. You can see. One second. Now let's click. So here on this bin directory, you can get here Kotlin compiler, and Kotlin JVM. Now if I go on this command prompt, right there Kotlin --version. Then you can see Kotlin is not recognized right there, Kotlin. Then you can get this message. So what we need to do here, you need to copy this, search here, edit, system, environment variable. Edit system environment variable. Let's click this. Here, environment variable. Go to the path and click on edit and now in new. Paste the location, okay, and now click on this. And now click on this okay, okay. Thereafter, here, opening the command prompt, right there, Kotlin. So this time, this getting, but there is no any problem with or not recognize internal or external command. Right there, Kotlin -version. So you can see this version that install. So this is how we can install Kotlin compiler inside the Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.